use of pembrolizumab in locally advanced triple-negative breast cancer versus standard of care, PCR gain of 13% and EFS of 91.3%. BMI in HER2-positive breast cancer treated with neoadjuvant therapy. Sub-analysis of the NEO-ALTO study suggests overweight and obesity influence PCR rates in hormone receptor-positive tumors. Out on JCO, results from the TransAddict study suggesting a possible explanation for the differences in prognosis performance of genomic tests in breast cancer. Out on Lancet Oncology, Keynote 426 shows pembrolizumab plus axitinib continues to have superior clinical outcomes over sunitinib, supporting the first-line treatment with pembro-axitinib as standard of care for renal cell carcinoma. Out on JCO, how does response-adaptive addition of EP to nivo work in renal cell carcinoma? Results support early upfront dual blockade in those eligible. Trastuzumab deruxtecan receives FDA priority review in HER2-positive gastric cancer based on the results from Destiny Gastric 01. U.S. Preventative Services Task Force now recommends screening coloscopy for colorectal cancer at 45 years of age. Update of Crystal-1, adagrasib in non-small cell lung cancer with KRAS G12 mutation. Promising data showing 45% ORR, giving hope for KRAS G12 patients. Patients with breast cancer prioritize affordability or maintaining functional independence when making treatment decisions. We should always ask patients if they have preferences. Out on JCO, carboplatin and paclitaxel confirmed as standard for first-line treatment for advanced endometrial cancer. Out on Astro, high-dose SBRT is more effective for painful spine metastasis. The FDA approves Foundation One liquid CDX for the use of companion diagnostics for alpelisib in breast cancer, rucaparib in ovarian cancer, and alectinib in metastatic non-small cell lung cancer. AACR announces their 2021 meeting will be virtual. Deadline for the 2021 Oncology Scholars Rotation Pilot Program is Monday, November 2nd. ASCO survey found 6 out of 10 Americans believe racism can impact the care of a person receives in the U.S. Reminder that the OncoAlert Colloquium is coming up in 6 weeks with a faculty that keeps on getting better every week. Join OncoAlert for the best of 2020. Out on OncoAlert podcast, being Hispanic, Black, and cancer and financial toxicity are out. Join me, Dr. Henderson, Dr. Doom, and Dr. Chino as we tackle these hot issues in medicine. A reminder to all of our friends to make your voice heard. Just because Dr. Fauci is not on the ballot is no excuse not to vote.